guys, we're at the Blue Trail today. Come for a walk in the woods with us.
So if you didn't know, the Blue Trail and the Red Trail merge for a bit just up ahead.
And here we are where the two trails meet. You take a left to go up the Blue Trail and a right to go down the Red Trail.
So here we have turkey tail mushroom. So this mushroom is one of the most common. It grows on any type of tree and it's very soft, especially when it's wet, just like right now. And it gets its name because if you look at the mushroom, it almost resembles a turkey tail. Here we have a gorgeous view.
So this is a decomposed tree. This is used by many plants and fungi as a food source, and much of the ground we're standing on was likely a decomposed tree from a very long time ago.
And a pretty neat piece of ground vegetation you'll find around here is this right here. It's called a ground pine. It's pretty easy to find and identify because it just looks like a pine, as if it was scaled down and a lot smaller.
This mushroom on this tree is called horseshoe fungus. It gets its name because it looks like a horseshoe. These are a lot harder than the turkey tail mushroom, and they actually don't fall off the tree unless they're forced. And once the tree falls over, it is what helps initiate the rotting of the bark.
And this right here is a white birch tree, but if you look up, it's been dead for a while and it's still standing. These old, dead, and still standing trees are really good for habitats such as squirrels or owls. If you look at it, there's still some horseshoe mushrooms and some woodpecker holes.
So all across here is some foam flower, and it's this little white flower right here. It gets its name because it looks like foam.
And right here we have another really old yellow birch. These ones live a lot longer than white birches. If you look at this one, it's kind of unique because it has this disease or disorder that makes it grow these leaves right at the side of the bark. And what we have here is a tree you particularly find a lot of around here. It's the striped maple. It's called striped maple because it has these stripes all the way up and down the bark. If you look at their leaves, they get really big. And there's actually this little inchworm that's eating little holes out of it.
If you come off the trail a little bit, you'll notice that there's this huge tree that has fallen, and it is just covered in turkey tail mushrooms, even over there. So we've made it back to the spot where the blue and the red meet up. If you wanted to keep on walking, you could go towards the red trail and it would still take you out to the parking lot, or you can continue out to the blue and walk back on the railroad bed.
So that was the end of our tour, guys. Hope you had fun, hope you learned something, and we'll see you guys later.
Thanks for watching.